wheeler, paradahan ng mga 18-wheeler truck, gasolina ng 18-wheeler truck. Dito kami sa truck stop, magsha-shower kami. Ay, ngayon po, hiwalay mo ng ito, mga paradahan, gasolina ng mga 18-wheeler. Hiwalay. Yes.
Move that don't look right. Put that, yeah. No, that don't look right when you do that.
Okay.
Hide your ear. Your head too fucking big.
Head, because I'm smart, I'm genius. The reason my head is big. Ayan po ako, karadahan ng gasolinahan. Na 18-wheeler. Punta kami, truck stop po to. Magsha-shower kami ng asawa ko. Ayan. Sa kabila naman po.
Put it back. No. Your head too fucking big. No. Joke only put it back. I want to joke.
Yeah.
I'm playing. Hey, I'm playing with you.
Okay. Sa kabila po, ayun naman, gasolinahan. Hiwalay pag gasolina ng mga kotse sa mga 18-wheeler. Ayan. Ito yung gasolinahan.
I'm playing with you.
Ayan. Oh my gosh, broke my slipper. My other slipper in the storage.
Let me see, you broke? Where? Oh, fuck. Find some in the store. Okay?
Okay.
You have no more?
I have it in storage. I have 2 slippers in storage. Yeah, ayan po ang tindahan.
We find Walmart tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. Ayan, tindahan.
You heard me?
Yes, love.
We would take a break, go in Walmart and find the slipper.
Yes, love. Ayan po, yan, mga kotse. Gusto lang ng kotse. Dito kami mag-shower. Flying B. Flying B po to. Ayan. Yan kami mag-shower. $15 per shower. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan po, tindahan.
Find the slipper in Walmart. Okay?
Hindi po. May naman ulit.
Come on, man.
Tindahan. Ayan, tindahan. Bye-bye. May naman ulit. Pagbabayad ko $15, hintay namin ang number.